The beginning of Manny Villar. Manny was born on December 13, 1949, to Manuel Villar Sr. and Corita Bamba in Moriones, Tondo. Manny is the second among 9 children of his parents, his father an ordinary government employee and her mother a fish dealer in the Visoria market. At a very young age, Manny was exposed to entrepreneurship by helping his mother sell fish in the market. By helping her mom sell fish, he was able to earn enough to pay for his school needs. He was doing the job to help her mom, she by not hiring a helper to carry the loads and help sell shrimp and fish. After graduating college, Manny managed to work for accounting firms but shortly resigned to venture for his own seafood supply business. His business at first is doing good until a restaurant he was supplying for didn't pay him. He asked the restaurant owner to issue meal tickets. We now know it is a gift certificate or voucher, amounting the total amount receivable from the restaurant. Manny sells those meal tickets to office personnel, which took him about a year to consolidate the total amount payable to him. He again worked for a development company as a financial analyst, but again he feels like he can make it in business once more, so he immediately resigned. Manny applied for a loan of 10,000 pesos, which he used as start of capital for his new business venture. He opened a gravel and sand business and purchased 2 second trucks for the delivery. As he continues his gravel and sand business, where he got exposed to construction companies that ordered to him, he eventually acquired the idea of housing development business. He purchased an initial of 80 lots from VF Homes in Parañaque and built houses onto it and sell it, which in no times became sold out. At the age of 26, Manny became one of the youngest millionaires in the country, as he finally found his niche in the business. Manny focused on developing houses, where he turned to developing low-cost housing. OFW were the main target market for Manny, from middle class to poor family who is purchasing the house by the help of financing institutions like Pag-ibig funds.